if it was in our generation, the same Shonga or witches or everything, but it was a prophet of God. Ravens were being fed Elijah. So whenever a prophet is doing anything, people they get confusion or what, but that's how the prophet operates.
So what can you advise Darlington Nyamutswa for him to be able to tap into the spiritual matters?
Sometimes you need to see the person, then you see him directly, then you understand him better. But sometimes when you get the second-hand information, you get it diluted.
There you are, Darlington. I hope you have been answered. And then we go to Passmore Nyamashinga Makombe. Says signs and symptoms that the world is ending. You are fulfilling the scriptures. I don't believe your position of being God's advisor is unheard of. The spirit leading in him is not of God. This is Passmore Nyamashinga Makombe. I don't know where he is, but he is watching ZimDI TV, the program This and That.
Yeah, even if we read the Bible, all the prophets and these, they were being persecuted. People were saying they're wrong, like Stephen was being killed. People were saying he's wrong, but you saw God. And you saw Christ is sitting on the right side of God. But to people of Israel, they're saying he's wrong. So I cannot blame him. That's his opinion. But what God's opinion, that's what matters. Not anyone's opinion, but God's opinion. Because people, they miscalculate. That's why they killed Jesus. Even the apostles, they were miscalculated. So even our generation is repeating the same mistake. Miscalculating. Persecuting the prophets from God. They were waiting for the Messiah. But when Messiah came, they rejected it, the people of Israel. So that's how people, they react.
These are nasty things that the viewers are saying to a man of God, a prophet. What do you have to say to them? Or what's in your heart right now concerning those people who are rebuking you?
Yeah, even Jesus Christ said, forgive them, Father. They don't know what they're doing. So I just say, forgive them, Father, for what they're doing. They don't know what they're commenting.